Where do files go in a HydePHP project, and how does rooting work? This is episode 3 of How to HydePHP, and it covers the one concept the whole framework hangs on. File location decides the URL. Once you get this, everything else in Hyde is obvious. Open a fresh Hyde project, and you'll see a handful of folders. Only 4 of them matter day-to-day: _pages, _posts, _docs, and _site. The 3 _ folders at the top are your content sources, and _site is the output, where the finished static site ends up. Here's what each one does. _pages holds your static pages, like about or contact. _posts holds blog posts, where each Markdown file is one post. _docs holds documentation pages, and they automatically get the docs layout, with a sidebar. And _site is where Hyde writes the compiled HTML when you build. You never edit _site by hand. It gets overwritten on every build. Now the key idea. Hyde has no root files, there's no web.php, and no config that maps URLs. Instead, the file's location and name become its URL. Pages/about.md becomes about.html at the site root. Posts/hello.md becomes posts/hello. And docs/setup.md becomes docs/setup. That is the entire routing system. Let's prove it. With the dev server running, create one file, contact.md inside _pages. That's it. No registration, no config, no restart. The moment the file exists, the root exists, and localhost 8080/contact.html serves it. And if you delete the file, the root is gone. So the whole mental model is one line. Folders are page types, and file names are URLs. Keep this episode handy. Everything later in the series builds on it. In episode 4, we'll start writing actual content, creating Markdown pages, front matter, and the make page command. See you there.